Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the preeclampsia. Preeclampsia is a condition that usually happen after 20 weeks of pregnancy. The exact cause of preeclampsia is not understood. It is usually a combination of raised blood pressure, जिसको हम hypertension बोलते हैं, और protein in your urine, जिसे हम बोलते हैं प्रोटीन यूरिया. प्री बेसिकली क्या होता है? प्री एक कंडीशन है जो बेसिकली होती है आफ्टर द 20 वीक्स ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी. इसका जो एग्जैक्ट कॉज है कि प्री क्यों हो रहा है, ये अभी तक तो आइडेंटिफाई नहीं किया गया है. बट इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ टू, लाइक रेज्ड ब्लड प्रेशर एंड प्रोटीन इन योर यूरिन. समटाइम्स प्री कैन अफेक्ट योर लीवर, किडनी एंड ब्लड क्लोटिंग विदाउट प्रोटीन इन योर यूरिन. कई बार जो प्रीएक्लेम्शिया ये अफेक्ट करता है आपके लीवर को, किडनी को और ब्लड क्लोटिंग फैक्टर्स को, अगर प्रोटीन नहीं भी आ रहा आपके यूरिन में. प्रीएक्लेम्शिया इज कॉमन, अफेक्टिंग बिटवीन 1 to 5 in 100 women during pregnancy. It is usually mild, but in a small number of cases it can develop into a more serious illness. Around 1 in 200 women develop severe preeclampsia, which can be life-threatening for both you and your baby. How will I know if I have preeclampsia? मतलब मुझे preeclampsia तो मेरे को पता कैसे चलेगा? साइन मतलब बेसिकली हमने साइन एंड सिम्टम्स के बारे में यहाँ पे बात करेंगे. साइन एंड सिम्टम्स क्या होते हैं प्रीएक्लेम्शिया में? अ सीवियर हेडेक दैट डज नॉट गो अवे विथ सिंपल पेन किलर. प्रॉब्लम विद योर आई साइट सच एज ब्लड विजन और फ्लैशिंग लाइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर आईज. Severe pain just below your ribs, heartburn that does not go away with antacids, rapidly increasing swelling of your face, hands or feet, nausea and vomiting, feeling very unwell. These symptoms can be serious and you should seek medical help immediately if you develop any of them. What does preeclampsia mean for me? If you have severe preeclampsia, organ such as your liver, kidney or brain can sometimes be affected and you may develop problem with blood clotting factors. If you have a seizure because of preeclampsia, it is called eclamptic fit or eclampsia. जब तक सिर्फ ब्लड प्रेशर रेज्ड है और यूरिन में प्रोटीन आ रहा है तब तक वी विल कंसीडर इट एज अ प्री-एक्लेम्शिया. व्हेन फिट स्टार्टेड it will consider under the eclampsia. It is a life threatening condition for the mother and the baby. Okay, so if you have a seizure because of preeclampsia, it is called eclamptic fit or eclampsia. This is a rare, affecting only 1 in 4,000 pregnancies. What does preeclampsia mean for my baby? Preeclampsia affect how well your placenta works. प्लेसेंटा को हम आफ्टर बर्थ भी बोलते हैं. दिस कैन अफेक्ट द ग्रोथ ऑफ योर बेबी, मीनिंग दे आर स्मॉलर देन they should be. If your placenta is severely affected, your baby may develop very unwell or in some cases even die in your uterus. If you have severe preeclampsia that is making you or your baby unwell, your baby may need to be born prematurely before 37 weeks. Premature babies are at increased risk for complication with their health and may need to be cared for a neonatal unit when they are born. हु इज़ एट रिस्क फॉर प्री-एक्लेम्शिया? कौन कौन लोग होते हैं जो प्री-एक्लेम्शिया के रिस्क पे ज़्यादा होते हैं? योर ब्लड प्रेशर वॉज हाई बिफोर यू बिकम प्रेगनेंट. अगर कोई ऑलरेडी हाइपरटेंसिव पेशेंट है, इसका ब्लड प्रेशर ऑलरेडी हाई रहता है, दे विल बी ऑन द हाई रिस्क ऑफ प्री-एक्लेम्शिया. योर ब्लड प्रेशर वॉज हाई इन अ प्रीवियस प्रेगनेंसी. आपकी प्रीवियस प्रेगनेंसी में आपका बीपी हाई रहता था, तो देर विल बी अ रिस्क फैक्टर. And you have a medical problem such as kidney disease or a condition affecting your immune system. ठीक है, condition affect your immune system such as lupus. You have type 1 और type 2 diabetes mellitus already आपको है ना? If any of these apply to you, you should be advised to take aspirin 70 to 150 mg once a day from 12 weeks of pregnancy until 36 weeks of pregnancy to reduce your chance of developing preeclampsia. और other risk factors क्या है? अगर this is your first pregnancy, you are your age is above 40, your last pregnancy was more than 10 years ago, you are overweight, there will be chances of having preeclampsia. Your mother or sister is having history of preeclampsia during the pregnancy. You are carrying more than one baby, twin, triplets or more, there will be the risk factor of preeclampsia. How is preeclampsia monitored? If you are diagnosed with preeclampsia, you will have an individualized care plan depending upon how many weeks pregnant you are, how high your blood pressure, and whether there are any concern about your baby well-being. Depending on how severe your preeclampsia is, you will either be offered admission to the hospital for monitor and treatment or will be offered outside monitoring with रेगुलर फॉलोअप्स. ठीक है, इसके लिए क्या है, आपको अपना रेगुलरली बीपी मॉनिटरिंग कराना है और अल्ट्रासाउंड कराना है एटलीस्ट एवरी 2 वीक टू चेक दैट योर बेबी इज़ ग्रोइंग नॉर्मली. व्हेन विल माय बेबी बी born? You will continue to be monitored closely to check that you safely carry on with your pregnancy. If you reach 37 weeks pregnant or are diagnosed with preeclampsia after 37 weeks, you will be advised to have your baby. You may be advised to give birth earlier than 37 weeks if you and your baby is unwell. This would mean that your baby is premature, so it would be advised if your healthcare team feel that it is safer than carrying on with the pregnancy. अगर मतलब बीपी अंडर कंट्रोल है तो हम बोल सकते हैं कि 37 वीक तक प्रेगनेंसी को आप कंटिन्यू कर लो. बट इफ़ द बीपी इज़ नॉट कंट्रोल और देर इज़ हाई बीपी एंड proteinuria, there will be immediate delivery has to be done. What happen if I develop severe preeclampsia? If you develop severe preeclampsia, you will be admitted to the hospital and carried for a specialist team. You may need to be cared for a high dependency unit or intensive care unit. Treatment may include medication, either tablets or via drip, to lower and control your blood pressure. You may also be given a medication called magnesium sulfate to reduce the chances of your having eclamptic fit. The medicine can also be used to treat eclampsia if you have already had a fit. The only way to cure preeclampsia is for your baby to be born. प्रीएक्लेम्शिया से क्योर होने का ओनली वे है कि एज सून एज पॉसिबल हमें डिलीवरी करानी. ईच प्रेगनेंसी इज़ यूनिक एंड द टाइमिंग ऑफ बर्थ टुगेदर एंड हाउ योर बेबी विल बी बोर्न विल डिपेंड ऑन योर ओन पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन. योर हेल्थ केयर टीम विल डिस्कस योर ऑप्शन विद यू. व्हाट हैपन आफ्टर बर्थ? प्रीएक्लेम्शिया गोज अवे आफ्टर बर्थ. जैसे ही बर्थ होगा प्रीएक्लेम्शिया गो अवे. However, complication may still happen within the first few days and you will be continue to be monitored closely. You may need to stay in hospital for several days longer than normal after birth. You will need to have your blood pressure monitoring regularly after leaving hospital and you may need to continue taking medicine to control your blood pressure for several weeks. Your healthcare team will make sure that any medicine you need will be safe to use. You are breastfeeding. If your baby has needed admission to a neonatal unit, you can still express milk to give them. तो इट्स ऑल अबाउट दी प्रीएक्लेम्शिया. अगर प्रीएक्लेम्शिया हो जाता है तो फ्यूचर प्रेगनेंसी के लिए हम कैसे प्लान कर सकते हैं? 1 in 3 women will get preeclampsia in future pregnancy if their baby needed to be born between 28 to 34 weeks of pregnancy. 1 in 4 women will get preeclampsia in future pregnancy if their baby need to be born between 34 or 37 weeks of pregnancy. 1 in 6 women will get preeclampsia in future pregnancy if their baby is born with 37 weeks. So these all are the planning for the future pregnancy. How will having a preeclampsia affect my future health? आपको प्रीएक्लेम्शिया एक बार हो गया तो यू मे बी इन द हाई रिस्क ऑफ डेवलपिंग हाई ब्लड प्रेशर, स्ट्रोक एंड हार्ट डिजीज इन लेटर लाइफ. तो यू हैव टू बी very carefully. You should avoid the smoking and maintain a healthy lifestyle, maintain a healthy weight. This is all about the preeclampsia. So preeclampsia, it's a life threatening situation for the mother and the baby. It is basically happen in the pregnancy when the blood pressure is more than 140 by 90 mm of Vg, and after it basically happen after 20 weeks of pregnancy with proteinuria or raised blood pressure and protein in the urine. प्रीएक्लेम्शिया के सेवरल रिस्क फैक्टर्स है जो हमने डिस्कस करे. उसके बाद क्या क्या कॉम्प्लिकेशन हो सकते हैं मदर एंड फीटस के लिए, एंड प्री मेच्योर डिलीवरी का व्हाट विल बी इफेक्ट ऑन द बेबी, ये हमने डिस्कस किया. हाउ वी विल मॉनिटर प्रीएक्लेम्शिया एंड when will be the baby born. These all the things we have discussed in this topic. So if you people have any doubts, so please mention in the comment section. This is all about the topic.